Have you ever noticed your garage door struggling to move, or worse, getting stuck halfway? This could be due to misaligned or bent tracks. These tracks guide your door smoothly up and down, and when they're out of alignment, the door can't operate properly, which not only disrupts your routine, but can also pose a safety risk. If you're in the Helensburgh area and facing this issue, there's no need to let a misaligned garage door slow you down. Call 040-977-4111 today to get your garage door tracks expertly realigned or replaced by qualified professionals. Ensure your garage door functions smoothly and safely every time you use it.